Welcome Dr. V.K. Saraswat to news portal bharatdefensekavach.com. So DRDO's BMD program is again a great success story. But what we have understood from the reports that this capability is to protect the nation or the targets, valuable targets, from a missile coming from a range of just 2,000 kilometers. That's not enough, I think. So do you have any program in place that you increase to counter a threat coming from, say, some IRBM or ICBM missiles?
In fact, right from the beginning, when we conceived the ballistic missile defense program, we have divided it into two phases. Phase one is to protect against missiles of 2,000 kilometers, because that is the type of threat which we perceived as the priority. Then later on in phase two, build the capability to protect against missiles of more than 2,000, say 5,000 kilometers plus class of systems. What you have mentioned as a success is in the area of building missiles, interceptors, radars, communication, command control, and all the paraphernalia which is needed for ballistic missile defense for 2,000 kilometer class. This activity has been completed. We have achieved significant success, and I must say that the maturity of technology is very high. Now there are certain technologies which are specific for engaging the 5,000 kilometer class of systems. They are under development as part of the phase 2 program, and I must say that they are also in advanced stage of development. We have a time schedule for completing it, and we are very hopeful that by 2016 we will be able to set up the ballistic missile defense shield for that class of targets also.
Can you also tell us something about the NAG and Helena missile program, where they are now, and also can you tell us something about the anti-spy satellite program?
NAG is a third generation anti-tank missile. It has been subjected to series of development trials, and including some of the user trials at Pokhran in summer environment. It has successfully met all the objectives, including engagement targets at 4 kilometers and firing in the night, firing in the day, and so on. What is remaining is that we have to now reduce the size of the launch vehicle. The launch vehicle is very high today, and our user has indicated that it should be brought down in height. So we are building a new Namika that also has been realized now. That new Namika and the NAG missile integrated on that will be tested in this summer at Pokhran, and after that NAG will be ready for production.
Ready for production.
Okay. As far as Helena is concerned, it is an air launch version of NAG with enhanced range. This is only 4 kilometers NAG, whereas Helena is going to be 7+ kilometer range. So the work on that is already in progress. It is getting integrated on our own helicopter called ALH. It requires special technologies for engagement of targets at 7 kilometers. That means a seeker of higher capability, which is under development today. One trial of NAG from the helicopter has been completed, which has met most of the mission objectives. Now more trials will be conducted in future. And we expect that with the new seeker, Helena would be ready for user trials in 2013.
Thank you so much for talking to us, and wish you all the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Nice talking to you.
Thank you. Nice talking.